Hey guys, so the Praise the Lord challenge is happening live on TikTok, okay? So I'm here with 4 bassline you can learn and maybe add to your own bassline and participate in the challenge, or you can also learn this bassline for your own personal praise groove, okay? If you're interested, I want you to watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any part of it. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so as I said earlier, I said I'll be giving you 4 bassline. Okay, so let's look at the first praise bassline. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, so we are looking at 1 6 2 5. So, and in this first bassline I gave you two praise patterns you can use on that same song. Okay, the first one goes like this. Now you'll be going to your 6, you understand? So you can use this shape to all of the progression. That is 1 6 2 5. Okay, so 1 6 7 3 6. Now to your 2 2 3 6 2, and now to your 5 5 6 2 5. You understand? So now you go with the timing. Praise. So now I brought in ghost note. Okay, you understand? Okay, so 1, you do a ghost note on every root on the progression. Let's say if you're playing on 1, you do a ghost note, just 1 ghost note before you apply. You understand? So on the start of the bass line you do a 1 ghost note. Okay, so let's say you're starting with 1, so now we are going to 6 6 7 3 6 2 3 6 2. You understand? Okay, and the second one goes like this. Okay, so 1, now you'll be going to 2 3. So on the octave you play 2 notes. Okay, 1, do the ghost note. Okay, 1 2 3 6 6 6. Okay, a 5 6, do a ghost note. 5 6 2 2 2. I hope you're getting it. So 1 2 3 6 6 6 5 6 2 2 2. That's on your 2 progression. So now to your 5 1 2 5 5 5. You understand? Okay, so now to your 1 4 5 1 1 1. So now you join both of them together. One, 2, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 1, 1, 1. That's it. Okay, so now let's jump to the second bass line. This is the second praise bass line. Okay, without no ghost note, I'm playing it raw. 1 5 6 6 2 3 6 6 2 2 4. Okay, you take it slow again. 1 5 6 6 2 3 6 6 2 2 4. Then now to your 5 progression. 4 5 5. Then 1 2 5 5 1 1 3. I hope you got that. Okay. So now let me bring in the ghost note to make it groovy. 2 ghost note before you play your 5. Then 5, 6, 6. Okay. Then 1 ghost note to your 2. Okay. 2, 3, 6, 6. Then 2, 2, 4. Then 1 ghost note to your 4 again. 4, 5, 5. Then 1 ghost note to your 1. 1, 2, 5, 5, 1, 1, 3. 2 ghost notes. Okay, so let me take it slow. You understand? Okay, so now let's jump to the 3rd praise bass line. You'll be doing this groove to all of the progression. That's on your 1. So you are playing 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. Now to your 6, you play 3, 3, 6, 6, 6. Now to your 2, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2. Then now to your 5, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. You can even do it on the heavy note. Sometimes you need to take it more higher because it's an African praise. So okay, so I also play something like this. That is on my 1. You understand? So 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. I take it again. Then you go to your 6 fast. Okay. You understand? Okay. So now let's look at the 4th one. That is the last one. Okay. So this is the last one. Okay. So understand the concept of the bass line. Okay, so you slide to your 1 again. So 1 3 1 3 1 3 1. Okay, then 5 5 5 again. Last one. Then now to your 2, the same groove. So 2 4 2 4 2 2 4 2 4 2 4 2 2 4 2 4 2 4 2. Then you play 5 5 5. Then now you be going to your 3 3 5 3 5 3 5 3. Then you play 5 5 5. You play 6 6 6. Then now to your 2 2 4 2 4 2 4 2 5 5 5. Then you come back to your 1. Then you start. I've given you 4 bass line. You can either learn it for your own personal play or you can learn it for this song. The progression is very, very simple. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye for now.